When I'm changing something to a unit rate, I like to see what just sounds better. Do we say kilometers per minute, or do we say minutes per kilometer? I think when we're talking about this with speed, we would say kilometers per minute. So that means I want to find out how many kilometers per 1 minute. So this little slash here means divide. So all I have to do is take my calculator and take 6 divided by 30, and I get 0.2 kilometers per minute. Now I'll put that on here. This was 6 divided by 30 equals. So now we'll take a look at Canu, and he has 10 kilometers in 40 minutes. And so I will take 10 divided by 40. And that is 0.25 kilometers per 1 minute. So the question is, who ran faster? Well, I think we could see that. We were guessing that it was this one. And it's because his number here is bigger than Nancy's for how many kilometers he runs in 1 minute.